DevOps engineers should deploy the new changes, the new upcoming movie. Now I see Fighter, which is Hrithik Roshan movie. Now marketing people are reaching out to production houses, movie production houses. They are buying movies. And this movie should be released in this OTT platform called in this website. Who will do that? First, product owner will give a requirement to again a Scrum Master. Scrum Master will look at the Scrum team availability and he will instruct a new movie should be added to the web application. UI developers, backend developer works together. UI developers will display preview, image preview, video preview, trailer. And backend developer will write the logic. If a user is subscribed to abc.com with HD quality, show him only HD quality. If he subscribed with abc.com with 4K quality, show him only 4K quality. This logic is written by a backend developer. That's called coding. That's called programming. UI developer only displays that look and feel. Cards, images, colors, whatever you see. The colorful thing is only coming from UI developer. Business logic is coming from backend developer. And whatever they developed, somebody should test it. Somebody should test it means they should deploy it. Who should deploy it? A DevOps engineer will deploy it. Cloud engineer will not do that work. Cloud engineer will say only, I am responsible for only AWS account management, user management, group management. If you ask me something, I will provision AEC2 instance of Windows or Linux or database, I'll give it to you. After that, if you ask me anything, I will not touch. Why? That's what is roles and responsibilities. So DevOps engineers should deploy the new changes, the new upcoming movie. Now I see Fighter, I think, Fighter, which is Hrithik Roshan movie is coming up, where everybody is waiting to watch in OTT platform. So that movie was already bought by marketing and sales and marketing team from the production houses. This movie will come to the Friday release. That means they will work at least 15 days in the backend. Some movies released today. That means 15 days back, the movie was developed, tested in the dev environment or developed in the dev environment, you can say. So DevOps engineer will create a CI/CD pipeline. CI, continuous integration, CD, continuous delivery, CD, another CD, deployment. CI, CD, again CD. Hence it is called as CI, CD. Let me write down here, CI/CD. Continuous integration, continuous delivery. Hence it has become this loop. This loop is nothing but DevOps. From code commit to code deploy, you have to automate. Now, I will show you the roles and responsibilities of DevOps engineer. Now you understood cloud engineer roles and responsibilities. Who can do this? Any graduate, whoever is graduated. Post-graduation is optional. First is the minimum is what? What is mandatory? Let's say somebody coming like, no, I passed my intermediate, I want to do a cloud computing job. In India, it is not possible. Abroad, it's possible. I mean, abroad, when I say other countries, developed countries were developed, people were developed. Hence, they allow whatever they say. Only they look at the skill set of the person. But in India, we are still under development country. So here is a minimum qualification to get into the work is graduation. So even for cloud computing, choosing a cloud computing job in India, minimum graduation should be there. 15 years of education should be there. Then you should be able to understand plain English. Plain English, because we have 18 plus languages. So they look for only plain English because across the globe, you'll be interacting with the customers. And that is your qualification to get into the cloud computing supermarket. Once you enter into the supermarket, you see different people there. Don't get surprised. You see developers, you see QA, admin, security, networking, cloud, DevOps, engine, all you'll see. So that means along with you, they also work on the platform. Please understand. In cloud computing, only cloud engineer will not work. Everybody will work there. Everybody will be doing their own task. Next, to get into a DevOps engineer, first qualification, you should know about cloud. Why? Because you want to create automation. DevOps engineer is all about mindset. The person, he will be working very closely with developers to deploy their changes to the servers. The server was launched by cloud engineer.